Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's find the display and tap on wallpaper right here. Now let's choose the option, the album actually from which we want to choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from external wallpapers, live wallpapers, Google Photos or regular wallpapers. Let me pick for example the wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers. Here we've got my photos, so you can enter the gallery and choose something from your own photos. Or under it, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, for example, from live wallpapers. Let's tap on it. Here we've got only one and it is applied. Or we can choose something from geometric shapes, solid colors, cityscapes, art, life, earth. It's really up to you what you want to set. Let me pick for example landscapes, it doesn't really matter, and let me pick for example this one. Let's tap on the one you want to use, and if you're ready and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set wallpaper right here. And now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper. You can set it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. So let me pick both for example. And as you can see, we just got back to the album section. Let me get back to the home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately changed and successfully applied. So that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.